Okay, we're gonna transfer information from QuickBooks to ACS program, Accounting CS. Okay, the first thing we have to do is go and download the QuickBooks utility. We can find that information in Thompson and Reuters login. Right now, I already downloaded CS QuickBooks data utility. We open the program and then we just gonna export data to accountant. We're gonna elect that, and then from January through December, which is the period that I'm gonna transfer, in the location, I'm gonna locate the files. So my files are located right here in the, I can see right here that is in the desktop 2020 app top LAM. That is a sample company. Okay. Or I just right click the QBW and right here I can locate the file where my file is. I have to choose the same location. Okay. So we're now gonna open QuickBooks. If we open QuickBooks, we already screw up because when we put the location right here, and then we're gonna open QuickBooks, it's gonna say the QuickBooks is already open, close all the programs. So you have to follow the steps. First, go to the CS QuickBooks data utility and locate browse right here. So I know my location is gonna be in the desktop. So it's in this file, and I just click right here, W. So, and the location to place export file. So I'm gonna put it right here in the up top, just in the folder. Okay. Once this is elected, I just put done and close. Okay. I'm gonna minimize and I'm going to open QuickBooks. So I'm gonna open this QuickBooks for the first time. I already download the profit and loss information. I download the general ledger, all the reports that I needed in order to compare. So, okay. So I open QuickBooks. It's still working. So I have two monitors, so I'm gonna bring this monitor right here. Okay, so I just open it. Okay, I'm gonna click again because I want to, it's a QBW, so I can open directly from the icon. If it's a QBB, so I have to bring it back different. So now I have to create the password because I opened previously this morning. So I just put nephew, whatever you want to answer, it doesn't matter because okay, so he wants me a complex password. So I'm gonna create the complex password. Okay, so I put okay. So now my QuickBooks is open. So once the QuickBooks is open, so I'm gonna minimize, okay? And then I'm gonna go to the programs and reopen QS QuickBooks data utility, and they already hold my information up to LAM and the location. So I just put export. So he's gonna bring all the transactions all the general ledger into a folder. So then I go to the accounting CS and the virtual office. So I just go to the virtual office, which is right here. And I just put OK, enter my multi-factors information and accept it. That is OK. So I'm gonna open the ACS. Takes a while sometimes. Okay. So I'm gonna open the program where I want to bring the transactions. It takes a little bit. I don't know what happened, but it takes a while. Let's see if I can open another program right here. If you're gonna bring if you don't have virtual office, but you have ACS desktop, it's different. You can bring the QBW straight from the QuickBooks. You don't have to go through a third-party application, or which is the utilities. Okay, it open file cabinet. I don't need file cabinet, of course. I just want this program, accounting CS. Okay, now it's gonna open. And remember, that company is supposed to be in the system, but if it's a new company, you just need to create the company and you don't have to create any chart of account, because you're gonna bring all the chart of account from QuickBooks. So that's a different, it's a little bit different. I can show you later on if you want. He's gonna ask me during the exportation what information I want, if I want vendors, if I want payroll. So I just need to do the mapping. Okay, I'm gonna open the company that I want to bring the transactions for 2000. It's up and top. That's okay. My period right here is December 31st, 2020. So I'm okay. I'm just gonna make sure that I don't have any information for 2020, and I do Control I to see if I had any PL, profit and loss. Okay, I don't have any information. Okay, so I just go to File, Import, and Client Data. And Client Data, I'm gonna choose, okay, the client, the QuickBooks, and the file location, because I'm in virtual office. So I know where is my location, which is V. And then I look for users, and then I look for Gloria Duque. And then I'm gonna look for desktop, and then the information is right here, okay? So this is the file that I just created from QuickBooks, and I'm gonna put the ranges is 0101 2021, December 2021. Next. So the first thing he's gonna ask me is the banks. I said, that's okay. If you had more banks right here that you don't have in your chart of account, you're just gonna add it as assist. So it's gonna bring the cash the way it should be. And then next. Okay, this is really important. I'm always gonna choose add assist. Okay, so look at what is gonna happen. Okay, I said put next. So, and the next, of course, it's gonna say that this selection is really bad. Look at the account. So I just put do not import. I'm gonna put cash right here. And then those are in red because the mask that I had is for 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So I said do not import because I don't have any account like that. Do not import, do not import, do not import to all this. I know the client doesn't create accounts longer than 4 digits because he always uses my chart of account in QuickBooks. So do not. Okay, so now it's okay. So I put next. Okay, so employees, if I had employees right here, I'm gonna say do not import. So next, taxes are the same thing through the end. Next, because I don't have any information. It says that all the transactions that I'm gonna bring are successful, and I said finish. It takes a little bit depending of if you have a lot of information. It says the import is complete. So I put okay. Once I'm right here, I'm gonna put Control I just to make sure that the profit and loss is 22,907. So I just go to my folder and I already preprint the profit and loss, and it says 22,907. Again, 22,907. So both are the same. So it means that he brought all the informations together. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video and you can learn. If you had any question, you can message me anytime. Thank you.